are making the Dr. Funk, our first tiki of Tiki Month. Stay tuned to watch us make this beautiful little recipe. Welcome to Common Man Cocktails. I'm Derek, that's Dan, that's Ian. We're starting our week off sober and Tiki Month.
Yeah. For all those people who think we're drunk when we start.
This is...
Not right now.
No.
No.
By the end of this episode, we're just going to be just as silly as we always are, but we're sober just like we always are. Yeah. Usually.
Okay. Usually.
We get a little bit sillier, even though we don't really get that much drunker.
No, it's just it's a
I might a little bit.
Momentum.
I might.
Yeah, well,
I might. But that's why I'm here.
So...
Momentum. Social momentum.
Yes. Social momentum. Today we're going to make the Dr. Funk. This recipe is from 1953-ish area.
Hey, that's the year my dad was born.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe he had Dr. Funk.
I'll ask.
Oh, maybe it's
I mean, he was born then. It's not like he...
Well, he might have had it since. I don't know.
It could have because he knew it was on the day.
Once he had you, he had Dr. Funk.
So, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to tell you right now what you need to do is click the bell icon, subscribe to the show. Click the like button, because what you're going to see, you're going to like, so you might as well just click it ahead of time.
Yeah.
Make sense? Secondly,
be proactive.
The recipe ingredients for the Dr. Funk are going to be 1.5 ounces of light Puerto Rican rum, 1 teaspoon of Pernod or absinthe liqueur or absinthe, 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice, 1/2 ounce of grenadine, 1 ounce of club soda, boom, and then, we're going to shake it. Without the club soda in there, because that causes explosions.
That's just asking for trouble.
Yes.
Yeah, we don't like trouble.
And then you lose all your fizz.
Yeah, I like my fizz.
I mean, it would be funny watching it explode.
I've done it. I've actually had Brianna shake a ginger ale once with something else like grenadine or whatever. That's funny.
That's funny.
As long as it's not you.
This is true. As long as executive producer for this episode,
you want me to fill
Steve
this
Voitilla or Fortilla. He's a
want
2-year patron, so that's kind of cool. Everybody this Tiki Month has been a patron for 2 years. Dos años. No tequila this month though.
No,
but I'm learning Spanish, so.
Oh, well then.
What's a show without tequila?
It's just.
There's no tequila in the tikis?
No, not really.
Okay.
You suffering bastard?
No. Why do you think Suffering Bastard has tequila? Because it has the word suffering in it?
Yeah.
Bastard in it? You gotta suffer when you drink tequila.
Exactly.
No.
And I figured it would have a combination of multiple things.
No. You have too much ice in here, I think.
Now I have too much ice in there?
For now. It's a jump. So it's not a strain.
Oh, it's a jump.
Right, that's it. A lot of the recipes are jumps.
Right. Okay.
Because they're just like, it's already, you know what it is? Here's the trick. Tiki drinks tend to be high on alcohol, so dilution becomes a necessary requirement, and part of that is to use the additional ice. It's going to melt faster, but you're still going to need. Wow, you're still going to need more ice.
No, well,
he's got to
throw some club soda in there.
If you could get more than an ounce in there, I don't know. I think that you're going to still need. No, that might be good now.
Yeah.
It's still a little low. I can smell black licorice. Woo!
Yeah. Wow.
Line me up. So the history behind this drink. It's made different everywhere. This is actually a Donn Beach coma recipe from 1953 from the Palm Springs locations. And the reason I call out the location is because even Donn Beach changed his recipes up, and different places might have a different version of the recipe from a different year. So this would be the one I guess you get at Palm Beach or Palm Springs, which was in where's Palm Springs?
Oh.
No, California.
California.
Right?
Oh, okay.
What? Noakes? I gotta do the conversion again?
Yeah, Norwegian stuff.
Nope.
I'll try this.
Good?
That's worth at least one, though.
Do you like absinthe?
Mm.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Oh! There's like a minimum.
Oh, that hurt my face.
So this, I guess, was a late addition added to Jeff Beach's book. This is an Intoxica, I believe, as a recipe.
Tastes like
if
jelly
you want
bean.
to find it. Yeah, it does have like a little black jelly bean thing
Yeah.
going on. Apparently, it's from a German doctor in Samoa. So his name is Bernard Funk, Dr. Funk. And the recipe that the doctor used was not this one, but this is kind of a riff off of it that Donn Beach came up with. Kind of based on what I guess the original one had, which is defined as, and tell me if I'm right on this, Ian, it's like lemonade and absinthe. Like if you combine them together.
A little bit, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's good. It feels like a little bit light because of the club soda.
Yeah.
It feels like it's watered down.
Yeah.
But
it's a light lemonade.
There's a couple ounces of booze in there.
It's true. Yeah, it might taste a little bit watered down, but it's
kind of refreshing, I guess.
There's a lot going on.
It tastes like a jelly bean, like a licorice.
Yeah.
That's something you're going to drink like water, though. That's dangerous.
Yeah. I mean, what, we get an ounce and a half?
I mean, if you like licorice
oh, no, ounce and a half plus
and
a
lemonade.
There's only a teaspoon of absinthe in there too. Yeah, licorice and lemonade.
So that's a third of an ounce, or a third of a tablespoon. Sorry.
But it is so vibrant on the black
Which is
licorice.
about a quarter
Yeah.
ounce.
That's
Like-
very vibrant.
What's a really strong flavor? Anything you
Yeah.
put Pernod or absinthe in.
But it's not strong tasting, and everything with
No.
absinthe in it tends to have strength. Like even
Yeah.
when you rinse it into a whiskey or any, what do we did it last month? We did all of them, like
Yeah.
Sazeracs and some. There was a couple other ones. They're all alcohol-forward drinks.
Yeah.
This is like light.
Well, it's a little bit frappy because you're adding the water. So like absinthe frapp, where you add just diluted absinthe ice.
Little spritz,
Yeah.
a little zing.
Well, it's a little sour.
Refreshing.
It is a little sour.
Yeah, it's a little sour from the lime.
What's your deal on? Okay, so I think this is a good drink. I've never had this before. People have requested it. Did I put?
Like once you
I've
drink
requested it.
a little bit more,
Yeah. Well,
like
this is a
like
first
it
drink.
gets a
too.
little bit
It's
more
dangerous.
sour. Yeah,
So Matt on
but it makes you
Facebook.
want to keep drinking it.
Matt on Facebook suggested this because I put out a message, facebook.com/cocktailtv. I said, hey, you guys should tell me what you think I need to cover because there's certain drinks I'd like to recover and drinks I've never covered. This is one of the nevers. And they're like, Dr. Funk. I'm like, that's funny because I saw it on Reddit. I've seen it in other places. I had it actually on my screen
Funk
for a
is
couple
trending.
weeks trying to figure out how I'm going to fit it into a episode. And I'm like, oh, Tiki month. And then somebody mentions it. Dude, it's in.
Perfect.
It's in. It's good.
And you have to like the flavor of black licorice or absinthe to even get near
Oh, definitely.
getting jiggy with this
You don't
drink.
have to
Yeah.
be in love with it and want only that though, because it's semi-muted in this.
The absinthe? I feel like
It's there, but it's not potent.
no, I know, but
It's not overpowering.
It's like one of those.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like a gene. Like people that have like they either love it or they hate it. And if you're the type of person who can't even stand the smell,
It reminds
this
me
is
of Good and
gonna be-
Plenty's.
Yes, that's it.
Yeah.
It's a
Perfect.
lemonade, good
Good
and
and
plenty.
Plenty.
Yes. That's what I was saying. Like jelly
Exactly.
bean. It tastes like a candy that I've eaten.
Yeah. But it's got like that sweetness from the grenadine a little bit.
Yeah, and there's
Yeah.
no extra sugar.
Flavor. Yeah.
So I mean, it's a standby quality drink. And if you want to
good.
get cool glass tikis like this, you go to awesomedrinks.com.
I mean, you gotta have it in a glass like that. Are you kidding me?
I actually do
Look
have.
at that.
I don't know if I have this one in stock right now. This is an actual old one from a different company. I sell it the same mug with a glass. It's just a little bit lighter. This one's kind of.
Just let me know. I'll take it and I'll sell it to you.
Yeah.
I'll just take it from here.
And what he would do is if he took it and wanted to pay, he could use coupon code April18, save 18% off on
right.
everything until May 4th.
Exactly.
That's what I did. See what I did there is I have all my things to make sure I cover
Oh
all.
my God! You're
Let me
I
so-
missed one though.
You're going to be doing something starting on the Cinco de Mayo.
What am I going to be doing? Send me a
Coup-
birthday kit
There's coupon code?
for Cinco de Mayo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there'll be one next month.
Because it's my birthday.
Because it's
Yeah.
going to start on...
It's gonna. Oh yes, it's gonna have to be on the
yeah.
Cinco de Mayo.
Yeah.
Because this one ends on May the 4th. Be with you.
You're on the Uno de Mayo.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm on the Uno.
What?
Close enough.
Close enough.
Close enough.
What else? Oh, sidebar. 2 more videos. You should check those out because that's what you do here. You watch videos. Down below, our starter kit at awesomedrinks.com. Been selling a lot of them more recently because I've been telling people they exist. There's always somebody starting making cocktails for the first time, so I have an infinite amount of business for that.
Sweet.
You just turned 21, didn't you?
Yeah.
Get the kit
Do it.
There you go.
You need the kit.
because it's awesome.
Yeah.
And we're teaching you how to drink.